This is Cindy from Cindy's Home Kitchen. How's everybody doing? But I wanted to come in today because I wanted to show you guys a little trick that I kind of like learn how to do. Because you see these peppers, sometimes I buy them because they're very cheap. You can use them, eat them for a snack, or you can use them. They're sweet peppers and they come in different colors. They make the food look very nice. You know, and they're small, so you really don't, sometimes you need a little piece of pepper, and then you just want a little piece, not the whole pepper, so these come in very handy. So anyways, I'm using them for a recipe, and a lot of times I was having like not a hard time, but a lot of times I didn't want to clean them, because then after you cut them, then you got to take the knife. So I was like, you know what, let me take a spoon, and it worked. So I thought that maybe I make a video and show you guys, look how easy. So the seeds and everything comes out, and that's it. I'm gonna try on another one real quick. That's Ginger barking. Ginger, why are you barking like that? So we're gonna take this red one, okay? I cut the top of it, right?
Oh yeah.
We open it, and then with a spoon, you face it the other way around, backwards. Just scrape it, scrape the inside, see? Oh. Look at that. Well, that one like that, but let me finish it, guys. I just wanted to, guys, show you. See, here we go. And you take it all off, just like that, with a spoon. And they're nice and clean and ready to cut. So I just wanted to show you guys that little trick. You know, doesn't mean anything, but it will be good for a lot of people or not. And then you do this and cut them anywhere you want. Rectangular, you know, any way you want. I'm going to, cut mine very fine. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Do not drink and drive. It's Friday night. Let's love each other and have a great night. Thanks for watching.